In this video, we're going to show you how to buy a Minecraft server. So we are now in Minecraft.net. So this is Minecraft Realms. They're preeminent Minecraft server hosting that they have themselves. As you can see here, you can get for free. You can try Java Realms for free, or you can click on subscribe now here. Just click on that, and you will be brought to the Realms and wallet. As you can see here, I've yet to do this. But you can have a server that you can pay for $7.99 per month. As you can see here, your first month is free. After 30 days, your subscription will renew unless canceled. You will be sent a receipt once your first payment is processed. So after you try it for free, you're gonna need to pay $7.99. So just click on this and you can try Realms. Or alternatively, there are other hosting sites. If you type Minecraft server on Google, on whatever browser you have, as you can see here, you have Apex Minecraft hosting. These are sponsored stuff. Download the Minecraft Java Edition server. Aternos Minecraft servers, as you can see here, free, as they say. So just go here, or even here, like Shockbyte, Apex Minecraft. So as you can see here, there are other channels. There are other channels where you can buy a Minecraft server. As you can see here, our Minecraft server hosting plan begins at $250. So compare our plans. This is Shockbyte. Let's turn that off. As you can see here, choose your plan. 1 gig RAM, 8+ slots. This is the cheapest. It's $250 per month, up to like $22.50 per month. Obsidian is 9 gig of RAM, 90+ slots. Right? If you're planning to get a Minecraft server set up with you and your friends, I feel like, you know, maybe the $10 one is good because it's still 4 gigs of RAM and 40+ slots. But if you're like a handful of people, maybe 5 to 10 people, I think this would do. Or if you have the money, like 8 gigs, right? It's a sweet spot. Although this is pretty much too much. So maybe these servers, because the gigs I would assume is the memory. So 4 to 8 is good, especially, right? So $10 is a sweet spot in my opinion. So you just click add to cart and you're gonna be sorted out. For Apex hosting at the same time, we can go to pricing, click on Minecraft. So let's wait for it to load. Taking a bit of time to load. Oh, never mind. Here it is. So 2 gig RAM, basic servers and some mod packs. So $5.99 first month, recurring $7.99, build monthly, 3 gigs, $8.99 first month, $11.99. So 4 gigs is, I guess, popular. $11.24 first month and 14, so $15 every month after the first month. So basic servers and mod packs and more mod packs, right? So again, you can just go to Google and look for the ones you think are good. Just go to, you can even go to Reddit, let's ask around like which ones are good to buy servers from. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.